Hyundai Tucson seat adjustment. You can adjust the front seat using the control switches found on the outer side of the seat. Forward and rearward adjustment. To move the seat forward or rearward. 1. Push the control switch forward or rearward. 2. Release the switch once the seat reaches the desired position. Seatback angle. To recline the seat back. 1. Push the control switch forward or rearward. 2. Release the switch once the seat back reaches the desired position. Seat cushion tilt. To change the angle of the front part of the seat cushion. 1. Push the front portion of the control switch up to raise or down to lower the front part of the seat cushion. 2. Release the switch once the seat reaches the desired position. Seat height. To change the height of the seat. 1. Push the rear portion of the control switch up to raise or down to lower the height of the seat. 2. Release the switch once the seat reaches the desired position. Lumbar support, for driver's seat, if equipped. The lumbar support can be adjusted by pressing the lumbar support switch on the side of the driver's seat. Press the front portion of the switch to increase support, or the rear portion of the switch to decrease support. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, consider supporting the channel by becoming a sponsor.